60%. Just let that sink in for a second. According to the 2026 update of Asana's Anatomy of Work Index, knowledge workers are spending a staggering 60% of their time on what researchers very politely call work about work. You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? The emails about emails, the endless meetings just to schedule other meetings, manually copy-pasting data from one platform into another just because nobody ever bothered to connect them. Look, this isn't just some minor productivity hiccup. It's a massive structural catastrophe that is literally draining trillions of dollars from the global economy. We are quite literally spending way more time managing our work than, well, actually doing it.
But what if we could permanently change that equation? I want you to look at this perspective from Microsoft for a moment. The future isn't about replacing humans, it's about amplifying them. It is definitely time we completely reframe how we view artificial intelligence. We really need to stop looking at AI as this impending job stealer, or even just as a basic glorified chatbot. Instead, we have to start seeing it as a highly capable digital coworker. Imagine having a colleague whose entire dedicated job is to handle that 60% of administrative dread. It gives you your time back so you can actually focus on strategy, on creativity, and the actual work that moves the needle.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to this explainer on autonomy versus automation. Today we're exploring what is arguably the most significant shift in technology since the internet itself. We're talking about the massive leap from simple, scripted software over to true AI autonomy. We're moving away from software that we merely use to digital colleagues that we work alongside.
Here's a quick look at our roadmap for today. We'll start by drawing a hard line between autonomy and automation. Then we'll properly meet your new digital colleague. After that, we'll look under the hood at the Agentic loop, see how these agents actually operate in a real enterprise setting. And finally, we'll talk about how to safely govern your new hires.
All right, part one, autonomy versus automation.
So this comparison really hits the nail on the head. And understanding this difference is absolutely crucial because, well, choosing the wrong approach for your business is incredibly expensive. Think of a traditional chatbot. It's entirely reactive. It's scripted. It basically just sits there waiting for you to type something, it matches your keywords, and spits out a pre-written response. But if you throw a weird exception at it, it totally stalls out. Now, a modern AI agent, on the other hand, is proactive. You hand it a high-level objective, and it autonomously breaks that goal down into a complex, multi-step plan, pulls in the right tools, and executes it. In short, chatbots respond, agents act. To put it formally, autonomy is a system's ability to proceed through a sequence of steps, making its own decisions and adapting on the fly without needing a human to approve every single stage. So true autonomy actually means continuous operation. Think about it. If a system has to constantly pause and ask for your permission before every single mouse click or API call, well, it's not really an autonomous agent, is it? It's really just a fancy user interface.
Moving right along to part two, meet your digital colleague. Industry analysts are pointing out this fundamental shift happening right now, which is the move from execution to orchestration. As these AI agents step up and take over the routine execution, that soul-crushing 60% of work about work, our roles as humans fundamentally elevate. We're shifting from manually grinding out isolated, repetitive tasks to providing high-level strategic oversight. Basically, you become the manager of a fleet of digital helpers. You set the vision and the strategy, they execute the tactics.
Now, to understand exactly how wildly capable these colleagues are becoming, we have to look at Anthropic's recent computer use breakthrough with their Claude 3.5 Sonnet model. This is a real game changer.
Thank you for watching. For more professional AI insights, remember to like this video and subscribe to AI Corecast.